That's a burrito. Oh, and that's the glass. There's broken glass in a burrito. And my instinct isn't to clean it up. My instinct is to make a movie about it. That's just how I am. Too many cameras and not enough food. I believe Sting said that. Tree. Let's make a movie. Not about the Fritos. Not about Doritos. But by the burrito. That's sort of ice. That's a burrito. That's a burrito. That was a burrito. That was a burrito. That was a burrito. Burrito. At some point this will be done and I will have another picture of it. Perhaps I'll remember that it's at the corner of Desire and Burgundy. Hello, rooster. Rooster crowed at the break of dawn. Look out, mama, 'cause I'll be gone. You're so pretty, you're pretty, you're pretty to the rooster.
Blue eyes crying in the rain.
All the records come on, and it's as simple as really just putting in your card information. All right, 2026. Come on. And it's going on now until what, 11:59? All day long. We'll look